Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to email your IT help desk using Freshdesk on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Freshdesk. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's go to Freshdesk. Via Freshworks, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to the account, which will sign us into the Freshdesk portal. And then what we need to do in future is actually connect the support email, but that's all for another tutorial. We will copy the support email address, which is support@computersciencevideos.freshdesk.com. Click on this, and then we will go to tickets. Let's now open up a new tab and go to Office 365, to Outlook. We then want to create an email. Let's pop this email out. We then want to go within that email and paste that email address that was copied. Add a subject. Let's just say IT support required. Dear IT support, please assist me with my work. Kind regards. We can then send this, go within Freshdesk, and a brand new ticket will appear. Click on one new ticket, and there we have it. IT support required. All from sending an email to the IT support help desk via the Freshdesk account and portal. And then what we can do is reply to that support ticket, add some tags, type, change the priority, assign it to an agent if we really need to. Let's do that now. So type, assist me with my work. Let's just say that is a technical problem. The support ticket is open. It could be a high issue. The agent will be myself. Product reference number, update. Go to all support tickets, and that itself has been updated. And then once we have looked at that support ticket itself, we can close or archive depending on if work is still required. So we can now quit Safari. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.